Academic qualifications alone don't wow recruiters. Real-world skills do. You've nailed the lectures and aced the exams, but what comes next? Recruiters are looking for more than just knowledge. They want practical, hands-on experience. That's where Vlerick Business School steps in, helping you bridge the gap and equip you with the skills that truly make an impact. Hands-on, action-packed, and straight to business. We're not about endless research papers or theoretical debates. Our 6 master's programs challenge you in a practical way, solving real-world cases, working with top-notch companies, and getting direct feedback from industry professionals. No dissertation, but rather an exciting in-company consulting project where you tackle real-life business challenges for a company of your choice. Benefit from close connections to top recruiters. Our alumni and faculty partnerships grant you exclusive access to an international corporate network that most students only dream of. From day one, you'll be networking, learning, and prepping to land the job of your dreams. Also, thanks to personal one-on-one career coaching, we'll make sure you are ready to launch your global career. No business background? No problem. Whether you're into strategy, marketing, business analytics, finance, innovation, or entrepreneurship, our programs are designed to complement your existing knowledge and boost it with practical skills, making sure you're ready to succeed in the professional environment. Study in Belgium at the heart of Europe, where you'll be at the center of global business, a true launchpad for your career and professional connections. Expand your horizons even further during your international study tour, where you'll gain insights from top industry experts in London, Dublin, Berlin, Barcelona, and Amsterdam, the hubs of technology, innovation, and finance. Want an even more international experience? Thanks to our exchange opportunities with top partner business schools across Europe, you can expand your Vlerick degree even further. Or what about complementing your Vlerick Masters with a double degree from our partner schools in the USA or in France? And the cherry to top it all off? You will graduate from Belgium's #1 business school, holding a Triple Crown accreditation, ensuring a high quality and international recognition. Ready to put the theory to the test and start doing? Join Vlerick and take the leap.